In this winter ultra-high performance showdown, we compare the well-established Michelin Pilot Alpin 5, launched in 2014, against the brand-new Pirelli P Zero Winter 2, introduced in 2024. Let's see how these two tires perform across the key winter conditions. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet performance, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 edges ahead in wet braking, stopping at 30.6 meters, just 0.2 meters slightly shorter than Pirelli. However, the Pirelli takes the lead in wet handling, completing the lap 1.53 seconds faster than the Michelin. When it comes to aquaplaning, Pirelli nudges ahead, so slightly ahead of Michelin. In snow, both tires are closely matched. The Pirelli stops slightly sooner at 17.5 meters, just 0.14 meters shorter than the Michelin. Snow traction times are nearly identical, with the Pirelli accelerating 0.02 seconds faster. In snow handling, Pirelli once again finishes a second quicker, showcasing its superior handling capabilities. On icy surfaces, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 stops just 0.05 meters shorter than the Pirelli, and both tires perform equally in ice acceleration, showcasing strong traction. Both tires are reliable when the roads are at their slipperiest. When the roads dry up, both tires deliver excellent performance. The Michelin stops 0.05 meters shorter in dry braking, but the Pirelli takes a slight lead in lap times with a 0.29 seconds advantage. In terms of comfort, the Michelin edges out the Pirelli, scoring 9.5 compared to 9. For exterior noise, both tires are nearly identical, with the Pirelli producing a slightly quieter 71.4 decibels, just 0.2 decibels lower than the Michelin. Finally, in rolling resistance, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 offers slightly better fuel efficiency with a lower rolling resistance coefficient value than the Pirelli. In summary, the Pirelli P Zero Winter 2 excels in handling across wet, snow, and dry conditions. On the other hand, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 offers better comfort and fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.